back. Your friend Sona here. So today I'm going to tell you how to draw a scenery of a girl with butterfly using oil pastels. So this is the scenery which I'm going to tell you how to make today. So now let's get started. So friends, this is the final look of my scenery. So I hope that you all enjoyed watching my video, and if you did, then give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also put the notification bell on so that you will get every notification of my video whenever I'll upload a new video. Till then, stay tuned for my next video, and yeah, don't forget to comment in the comment box. Bye bye.